Quando delícia, quando delícia, quando delícia.
Here we are, Thanksgiving 2019, on our way up to Big Bear Lake, California. It's snowing, it's beautiful. We got the doggos. And I got the chains going in the little Nissan here. I got the bird in the trunk, a nice 22-pounder. 22-pound free ranger.
That's as big as Harvey.
As big as Harvey. Get some of the snow out, put it on the bird. Keep that baby chill.
There we go, baby. Hey, what? Gobble, gobble, y'all.
21.5-pound turkey. Happy Thanksgiving 2019. Got him. The liquid that comes out of there when you prod it needs to be clear. Once that liquid's clear, you know the bird is done. However, don't prod it too much because you want that juice to stay inside the breast. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Everybody! Meat, 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 meat. Everybody!
You know what I'm doing?
If the potatoes aren't cooked, people just won't like it.
Yeah. Breaking into the meat of 2019.
There it is, the first slice. Oh, he's eating it.
Doozy. Herby. It's good.
You gotta go! Holy shit.
Oh my God.